Hi guys, let's make banana bread with chocolate chips and a bit of walnut. To start off, we need a bowl. In that, add plain flour. Then we're going to add our baking soda, baking powder and salt. Give that all a good mix and leave it aside. I have my ripe bananas here. Now if you don't have ripe bananas in your kitchen, you can do another method which is in the description below, so have a look at that. So I'm mashing the bananas up. Now in a bigger bowl, add butter. The butter is softened, so room temperature, and I'm also adding sugar. Blend that all together for about 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 3 small eggs, and I'm adding it one at a time and then whisking it because I just want it all fully combined to the batter. Now add your vanilla extract and your mashed bananas and give that a little mix. Then we're going to add our flour and we're going to give that a fold, but don't try not to overmix. So at this stage you can leave it plain, but if you like me and you like a crunch, add some walnuts and some chocolate chips. All the ingredients are in the description below. So yeah, give that a good mix and then we're going to prepare it in our tin. Grease your tin and add the mixture in there. Topping it up with some chocolate chips and some walnut. And now put it in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius and leave it there for about 60 minutes. And there we go. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? Now you have to be a little patient and leave it to cool down fully. Once it's cooled down, you can cut it in pieces like this and enjoy. I'm just going to show you how moist, how delicious this is. I hope you try it, guys. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.